NYSVARA is proud to recognize agencies, organizations, and individuals who've gone above and beyond. Winners are selected from nominations submitted by agency or organizational leadership, instructors, or peers. The nominations are then reviewed by our awards committee, and deserving candidates are selected. These award winners represent the best of the best. We hope you will join us in extending congratulations to the following award winners.
Leadership. This award is presented to an individual who has performed an outstanding service along with initiative and leadership to NYSVARA or to a member organization in good standing of NYSVARA. This year's award is presented to Christopher Benson, Glen Oaks Volunteer Ambulance Corps, Queens, District 4. With approximately 20 years of service, Chris started as a youth squad member of GOVAC, obtained his EMT, became an EMTP, and a CIC. He's held various leadership positions while in the youth squad and with the drill team. Post 9/11, he led a youth squad relief effort raising supplies and funds for various charities. Chris is the current chairman of the training committee at GOVAC and has led the agency in updating the agency members' credentials, put EMS One Academy in place to further facilitate training and the tracking of individual training and credentials. Working with the medical director, chief of operations, and the training division, he was instrumental in moving GOVAC into the level of an ALS service. As the current ALS coordinator, he is responsible for the SOPs, hospital and medical control contracts, and controlled substance policies. Chris also plays a major role in recruiting ALS providers, making sure they meet the standards of care GOVAC is looking to provide. Chris is a leader who leads by example. Congratulations, Chris.
EMS Educator of Excellence. This award is presented to an individual who, through outstanding teaching, publication, or research, has greatly improved pre-hospital services at the local, county, regional, or state level, having some particular impact on the volunteer nonprofit EMS community. The nominee must be recognized by the New York State Department of Health as a certified instructor. This year's award is presented to Brenda Morrissey, Glen Oaks Volunteer Ambulance Corps, Queens, New York, District 4. Despite many recent health challenges, Brenda's commitment and perseverance has allowed her to significantly impact EMS education around her. Brenda holds numerous levels of instructor certification in many areas. She's the CME director at Glen Oaks, but her CME activities are widely spread to include EMS municipalities and the hospital sectors. Brenda repeatedly demonstrates her advancing knowledge, skills, and professionalism of EMS by presenting high-quality CME content and with her interactions with other providers and patients alike. Congratulations, Brenda.
Communications Specialist of Excellence. This award is presented to an individual who is employed or volunteers with an organized dispatch center in the state of New York and has shown dedication, responsibility, professional behavior, ingenuity, special skills, and an insight to pre-hospital communications. Contributions must have some particular impact on or relationship to the nonprofit EMS sector, including member organizations of NYSVARA. This year's award is presented to Michael Barker, Huntington Community First Aid Squad, Suffolk County, District 7. Michael is a 27-year member of Huntington Community First Aid Squad. He has held many positions at Huntington and has served on numerous committees. Michael not only dedicated countless hours volunteering, but is truly dedicated to quality training for dispatchers as a dispatch committee chairman. In this role, he also manages the agency's statistics from dispatch calls to assist the agency with trends. Congratulations, Michael.
EMS Unit Citation, Agency of the Year. The purpose of this award is to give recognition to a crew or unit involving an outstanding unit operation dependent upon teamwork and cooperation. This year's award is presented to Tri-Community Ambulance Service, Niagara County, Region 1. Tri-Community Ambulance members are proud to continue to serve their community with 100% volunteers. They are one of the busiest in the region. Despite their high call volume, their membership of over 175 volunteers continues to provide a very low response time. Tri-Community Ambulance offers EMS training opportunities throughout their community to other EMS agencies and even hospital-based medical staff. They have set the bar when it comes to agency dedication, commitment to volunteer EMS, and providing quality EMS and training to their communities. Great job, Tri-Community Ambulance. Congratulations on your award.
EMS Youth Squad of Excellence. This award is presented to a youth squad of a member organization of NYSVARA for performing outstanding services to their local squad, their community, or NYSVARA. This year's award is presented to Huntington Community First Aid Youth Squad, Post 215, Suffolk County, District 7. This youth squad did not allow the COVID-19 pandemic to stop them or even slow them down. During the last year, they trained 19 members as dispatchers. 7 of their members passed the New York State certification exam and became EMTs. During the pandemic, this group participated in remote training with an 85% engagement of the squad members. They also continued having regular meetings remotely with no loss of membership. In fact, this youth squad actually grew their membership during the pandemic. Huntington Community First Aid Youth Squad Post 215 members are focused, driven, and eager to provide the best care they can and are looking forward to moving into the Senior Corps when they become age eligible. Way to go, Huntington Community First Aid Youth Squad Post 215. Congratulations. EMS Youth Squad Member of Excellence. This award is presented to an individual member of a youth squad who has performed outstanding service to their local squad, community, or NYSVARA while maintaining their school curriculum. This year's award is presented to Alexander Bayer, Huntington Community First Aid Youth Squad, Post 215, Suffolk County, District 7. Shortly after Alexander joined Huntington Community First Aid Youth Squad Post 215, he became a New York State certified EMT at the age of 17 in 2020. He has served as a second deputy and is currently serving as the post chief. Alexander is described by many as being enthusiastic, kind, motivated, and intelligent. He strives to train to the fullest and give back to his community to the best of his ability. Alexander is currently pursuing a nursing program for college. Congratulations, Alexander.
BLS Provider of Excellence. This award is presented to a member of NYSVARA who has provided an exceptional contribution to the EMS field and/or an EMS agency system through demonstrated dedication, professional behavior, initiative, and/or special services. This year's award is presented to Erica Tessitore, Cobble School Rescue Squad, Schoharie County, Region 2. Erica has been an EMT for a year and a half and was the agency's lieutenant for a year. She has excellent BLS skills and tremendous leadership skills. Erica has compassion for every patient, no matter what the call is, and is the top responder of her agency, recently answering 650 of their 700 calls. All that, and she found time to get married on August 3rd, 2021. Congratulations, Erica.
ALS Provider of Excellence. This award is presented to a member of NYSVARA who has provided an exceptional contribution or contributions to the EMS field and/or EMS agency or service through demonstrated dedication, professional behavior, initiative, and/or special services. This year's award is presented to Laura Gluck, Rockland Mobile Care, Rockland County, District 1. Laura is competent and confident in her skills and is passionate towards EMS and precepting new EMTs and paramedics. She is not only an advocate for community paramedicine, but a true patient advocate. Laura is the lieutenant for the busiest paramedic station in Rockland County, working 3 12-hour tours a week at her medic station, Medic 1. She also works 10 hours a week at Havistar EMS. Laura rose to an exceptional level during COVID-19 when she put her partner's safety and well-being before hers as often as she could on flu-like symptom calls or confirmed COVID-19 calls, because her partners had small children or spouses with medical compromises at home. Laura is well known in North Rockland, her hometown, and is our hometown hero.
EMS Registered Nurse of Excellence. This award is presented to a New York State licensed registered nurse serving in the EMS systems. They must have made contributions to the EMS community and show dedication, responsibility, professional behavior, ingenuity, special skills, and insight to the pre-hospital environment. Their contributions must have some particular impact on or relation to the nonprofit EMS sector, including members of NYSVARA. This year's award is presented to John Duffy, RN, Garnet Health Medical Center, Orange County, District 5. John is a 12-year registered nurse at Garnet Health Medical Center and is a longtime member of the emergency department team. John leads by example, has great personal values, and delivered excellent patient care. He routinely assists EMS with patient transfers and always shows respect toward EMS crews. John consistently goes above and beyond with his interactions with EMS and is always willing to engage in patient assessment and evaluation discussions with members of EMS. Thank you for being an important part of our team, John. Congratulations on your award.
EMS Medical Provider of Excellence, MD. This award is presented to an individual who must be licensed in their title and shall be a contributor to the EMS community. They must demonstrate dedication, responsibility, professional behavior, ingenuity, special skills, and an insight to pre-hospital setting, having a particular impact on one or more organizational members of NYSVARA. This year's award is presented to William H. Greenhut, MD, Montefiore Nyack Hospital Emergency Department, Rockland County, District 1. Dr. Greenhut is an emergency department medical director. He's focused on the facilitation of better turnaround times for the EMS agencies, door to bed, so they can get back in service. He relies on the pre-hospital EMS evaluations, discusses patient care, and follows up with EMS crews on calls and patients' outcome. Dr. Greenhut is also the medical director for 7 EMS agencies in District 1, responsible for a stronger relationship between the ED staff and the EMS agencies in District 1. To strengthen the relationship with EMS in the county, he attends the District 1 meetings and the captain's meetings, providing guidance and leadership to the EMS community wherever possible. He is well-liked and respected by EMS. Congratulations, Dr. Greenhut. Thank you for all you do.
Meritorious Award. This award is presented to provide recognition to an individual or group for an act involving a degree of unavoidable danger which would be characterized as a great personal or group risk. This year's award is presented to Dale Bartolomeo, Huntington Community First Aid Squad, Suffolk County, District 7. Dale is an 11-year member of Huntington Community First Aid Squad and has held numerous positions in the agency. He is an EMT, a firefighter with Huntington Manor Fire Department, and a dispatcher for FDNY. While driving, Dale came upon a motor vehicle accident on the Long Island Expressway. He was the first on scene. Upon arrival, he found an unconscious person trapped inside the vehicle, which was on fire. Dale says his training kicked in, and he went for his fire extinguisher in his car to knock down the sum of the fire. With the help of a few good Samaritans on scene, Dale was able to extricate the unconscious driver from the burning car. He continued monitoring the patient's airway and provided care until other EMS arrived on scene. There's no doubt that this patient's survival and recovery would have been significantly different had it not been for the heroic efforts of Dale that day.
This concludes the 2021 NYSVARA Awards ceremony. Again, our congratulations to all the award winners.